Welcome back to the Total Carnage playthrough of Marathon Tempus Irae. I'm admin 1 of NEFX. We're still on Polygonium Opus. We're about to capture the Falg, more or less completely, or maybe sort of like domination or something. We're going to take it away from the 4. We've already taken some away from them, and we're going to take another part away for ourselves, take it back. Looks like it's just on the other half of the big open area here. So we conquered that part. Now we just got to conquer this part somehow. Did I already do it? Yeah, I guess maybe I already did. Those are the only phallics. I think I thought there's maybe another one because I saw this. But I don't think this is replaceable. So I think maybe I already did the job. Hold them up here, they'll grab this little dollop of mustard, if you will. Let's go down here. Ooh, there's some supplies. Is there some secret way I can access these? We have lost many individuals. This has been a difficult battle. Some individual units have been captured and taken back to the Kalima. We do not understand the Force's purpose in this, but it cannot be benevolent. Thank you for restoring the group network. We are finding it easier to communicate clearly with you as our individuals learn more and more of your vocabulary, and your group network parses more of your syntax. Okay, so yeah, maybe there will be less parentheses and question marks and stuff. All crucial ship systems are functioning again. We are sending you back to Earth. There's another treatise you must find. Our visual sensors have picked up signs that the 4 are deploying their newly upgraded heavy armor, so do not relax your vigilance. So did I actually defeat the blue boss? It was hardly a boss at all. I guess so. Maybe I'll encounter him later, but anyway, here's Umbra. Hey, nice purple boots there, buddy. This will be beautiful, I'm sure. Oh wow, look. Whoa, look at that. Probably deal with these guys with the fists. Haven't got the SMG yet. You know, I wonder, I encountered SMG ammo before, but never got the SMG, so maybe it was available via a secret or something, or it was just like meant to foreshadow that I eventually get an SMG, because I think I only got like 1 or 2 clips. Didn't really look. I remember seeing just one. Who knows? I know there's at least one secret that I missed out on. That texture kind of bothers me a bit. Who wants some? Here we go. Night out on the town. Here, I got the SMG now. Got plenty of ammo too, so I think we'll be fine. Oh, hey. Who else wants some? Gonna trigger a whole bunch of waves here, one by one, to deal with them. Alright, good job, good job. Sortidai Terpes et Faitidai. I warmed up a little bit, read that all Latin review by Damang. Oh, didn't think it'd shoot that far away. The assault rifle bullets. Oh wow, I'm liking this. Hey, who's there? Heard a spawn in. Okay, just some grenades. Good. Oh my, I already like this one a lot. So many paths to choose. Okay. Got him. I think this is another level that I got fairly stuck on after a while, which doesn't surprise me because it's fairly big and vast. There's lots of different paths to go on, and it's not said which one you should go on or go to first. Keep an eye out on the ramparts, basically. So we totally spawn in, maybe a juggernaut. Nothing so far. Wouldn't be surprised though if reaching a goal, making some sort of a progress, reaching a threshold with that triggers a big spawn in out here. It's too big an area for that not to be a tempting possibility. Of course, if it were me, I would have gone all out much of the time. Let the tranquility come later after you've wasted everyone in the big-ass open field. Okay. Visible barrier, I think, yep. Okay, making note of that here. It's a door to open up later. Probably contains something important for progress. Actually, it's about time, I think, for me to get to some net games, so I'm actually going to make this episode shorter. Once I find a save point, I'm going to stop for maybe the night. We'll see. I'll probably come back for more if no one shows up for net games, but it's part of my admin one's 30th birth week bash to have a game event every night of that week. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay. Keep track of what all areas I want to come back to at some point. That'd be a waste of shields, wouldn't it? I guess it can't really be helped. Maybe it will. Maybe I'll go take that unexplored area around here, like that part of the map, the way it looks in the overhead. Let's try this wing first. Oops. We got it once. There we go. Awesome. So I can't get through there yet. I'm noting that immensely on the map. Okay, here's a terminal. Some stuff. Wait. Yeah, okay. The Milanese are such wonderful characters. A bit of Venetian scheming from the east, mixed in with some Florentine extravagance from the south, and a dash of Germanic phlegm from beyond the Alps to the north. Phlegm isn't like phlegmatic, like the old medieval humorous theory. What a city. This new one they've erected, more like a palace than a church. The smell of the gutters, more like a grave than a street. The local petty politicians seem unduly interested in my writings. By the way, he sounds like sort of excited and delighted by some of this stuff, which may indicate that he has, to paraphrase what we said earlier, grown morbid from his own imaginings. They've been asking me if I developed any new inventions for them to help them in their mercenary battles. By the way, it'd be interesting to read the actual diary entries or whatever of Leonardo da Vinci, but I wonder where the sudden interest comes from. True, I have invented siege engines and fortifications of some merit, but I've been working lately on flying machines, charge systems, chemicals, areas where I've gleaned insight from my shadowy companion, who still, indeed, follows me. So maybe we're about getting to the point where we realize what it is the aliens get from Leonardo's writings, at least so far. I have the feeling I might want to keep momentum downstairs so I can run back up. But I made it out in time anyway. Yeah, just hang out in the hall like students. We're a bunch of slackers. What the hell? You guys are weird, once again. Drones in this scenario act fucking weird. Okay, I finally remember this part. Remember there being some good action and some switchery, basically. Probably open these doors. Whoa. Okay. Actually, I wonder if there are troopers firing on the other side, if I could lure them into shooting themselves. Actually, they might be coming from around the corner. Yep, there you are. Did I hit him? Might be coming around the other corner. Nope. What if I hit this remotely? Okay, that's one. That side. There's another on this side. Maybe that opens these up. It does, yeah. Shit. Ah, fuck. Lost. That was really bad. I got bad in a real hurry. I got caught in something. Again, that's like where most of my issues come from, and the combat in this scenario is getting stuck on shit. Actually, that's becoming more and more what usually kills me. By which I don't mean it's more of a problem, it's just that I'm becoming better at everything else, but that's still an issue. At least I got those shields right there. Got these. See what that does. Okay, so I can come back up here from down there at least. Looks like I've done what I need to here. I don't think this is a secret or anything. I can imagine like one of those candles being like a switch you could turn on and off. Maybe one of these light fixtures could be somewhere. Be the key to some incredible secret. Okay, there's also some supplies down here, so overall things are doing okay. Okay, so I think this part of the map is basically taken care of. I'll just go back up here, see what else has been opened. Making a mental note on the map of places that I want to go back to see if they opened up. But I also need to get a save point, see if this is opened up. It has. I like this kind of snug looking area. Okay, there's a fighter. I had a feeling that would happen. Hello. Yeah, just march along to your doom. Very brilliant strategy. Hello. Well, I hear the faint, eerie choir in there. So I guess that's got to be like an important place, probably where the manuscript is. The next one. Okay, well that just leads to the outdoor area, so that's one door I can more or less scratch off my list. What about back down here again? Okay, that one isn't opened up yet. I'll probably go to the place where I encountered the shield capsule because, wait, yeah, there's no more worry about wasting that, I don't think. Here we go, that's the same point I was looking for this whole time, so, alright. See you next time. We'll see if I come back tonight or not, but at any rate, I'll return soon, I think. Sordidai, Torpis, et Faitidai. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.